Okay, so what we are going to discuss now is all about the union and the intersection of sets. So let us define first what is the union of set. Now we can say that, or if you're going to identify union, so it is just basically the elements of A and B as one. So the union of sets A and B denotes by this. Now let's say for example the union of A and B. So this symbol here represents or denote that this is the union of A and B. So the union of A and B is the set that contains those elements that are either in A or in B or in both. So that is the union of A and B is equals to the set of all x's such that x is in A or x is in B. Again, so when you say union, the union of A and B is equals to the set of all x's such that x is in A or x is in B. So if you're going to draw this into a Venn diagram, this is how you're going to, or this is how it is represented. So again, it belongs to the universal set U. Okay, it belongs to the universal set U. Then if you have a circle here and represents A, a circle here that represents B. So if you're going to talk about the union of these sets, those are its union. Both A and B are shaded in its elements. So example, if A has elements of 0, 1, 2, and 3, then B has elements of 2, 3, and 4. Now if you're going to find the union of A and B, so that is just simply listing all the elements of A and B but not repeating. So that is, we have 0, 1, 2, 3, and we have 2 and 3 here. So the final element of the union of A and B is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now when we talk about the intersection, all you have to do is just find the common element of both A and B. So when you say intersection, let us also use this one. So it is the intersection of A and B. So it is represented in this way. So that is the union of A and B is equals to the set of all x's such that x is in A and x is in B. So the intersection of A and B is equals to the set of all x's such that x is in A and x is in B. X here refers to the common element that has on A and B. So let us again use this one. The elements of set A, we have 0, 1, 2, and 3. And for B, we have 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so in finding the intersection of A and B, so all you have to do is just look for the common element of A and B, and that is their intersection. So do we have 0, We have 0 here? No. About 1? Do we have 1 here? No. 2? Do we have 2? So 2 is a common element. 3 we also is a common element. We have 4 here, but we don't have 4 here. So the intersection of A and B is 2 and 3. So if you're going to use that in a Venn diagram, if this is the universal set U, and this is set A here, and this is set B here, so where do you think is the intersection? It is this one. So that is the intersection of A and B. So if you have questions with this lesson about union and intersection of sets, feel free to comment below. Or if you like this video, just like the video. If you want more videos, press subscribe. Okay, this is Jovin Gloria from Merida Vocational School. Thank you for watching.